In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can edit features and sketches. First thing we need to do is figure out what is referencing what in the model tree and in the feature. So one way we can do this is we can hover over the part name in the model tree, and we can see that it's highlighted in the window, or I can click on it if I'm still not sure. I can also just click the feature directly instead of looking through everything in my model tree. Once I know it's what, it can be really helpful to rename so that it's easier to find in the future. And to do this, I just right click on the part in the model tree and I go to rename tree item. The next thing I want to do is edit my dimensions. If I click on the part in the window or in the model tree, the dimensions for that feature will come up. I can just bring it to an angle where they're easy to see, double click on the dimension, and it will bring me to this window where I can edit. When I'm all set editing, I can hit this check mark. Now, just after hitting accept, I can see that nothing changed here. And if I look at the block in my model tree, there's this little stoplight next to it. That means I need to rebuild the feature to see my changes. To do this, I can click the little stoplight button at the top right here, this rebuild button, and it will make those modifications. If I want to make some more advanced changes, I can click on the feature in the model tree and I can get this window where I can edit feature or edit sketch. And I can do the same thing by clicking the actual feature in the window. By editing the feature, I'm editing this actual extrude here. And it brings me right back to this same menu that I saw when I made this extrude. Now I can add a taper or change the depth or the direction, whatever I need to do. I'm going to add a little bit more of a taper just so I can see it better. And hit accept. And like I showed you, the same way we can edit the sketch itself. And you can see my modifications to that feature.